Let me guess, you have been staring at this bug for 2 hours, you have rewritten the function, you have console.logged everything, and you're thinking, maybe I'm just bad at programming. Plot twist, the bug probably has nothing to do with your code. And today, I'm gonna prove it. By the end of this video, you'll know why most bugs are not code problems, what they actually are, and how fixing the right thing can save you hours of debugging stress and self-doubt. If you have ever said, this makes no sense, the code looks fine, this video is for you. Here's the biggest lie we tell junior developers. Bugs come from bad code. No, bad code exists, sure. But most bugs don't come from the syntax, logic, or missing semicolons. They come from something way more boring and way more dangerous. Context. Let me give you a very real scenario. You're building a simple feature. Show a discount if the user is premium. Easy, right? You write the code, you test it, it works. Then QA reports a bug. Some premium users don't see the discount. So what do? You open the code and you see something like this. If user.isPremium, apply discount. This looks clean, correct, no red flags. So you log, you debug, you step through the code. Everything still looks fine. This is where most developers panic. But here's the question that nobody asks. What does premium user actually meant? Turns out premium means different things in different places. Backend says premium starts immediately. Frontend assumes it starts after the payment clears. Product thinks it starts at midnight. And the database, it stores it as a string. Congratulations, you don't have a code bug. You have a shared understanding bug. Most bugs come from one of these four things. Number one, wrong assumptions. We assume data to look a certain way. We assume an API behaves consistently. We assume edge cases won't happen. Spoiler, they always happen. Number two is mismatched mental models. Product imagines one behavior, backend implements another, and frontend guesses the rest. The code does exactly what it was told to do. It was just told the wrong thing. Number three, environment differences. It works on your machine, it breaks in staging, it explodes in production. Not because your logic is wrong, but because configs, data, and timings are different. Number four is unclear requirements. Requirements that say it should be fast, it should be able to handle large data, and it should work for all users. These requirements are not requirements. Now, here's the uncomfortable truth. The better you get at coding, the more your bugs will come from known code problems. Senior developers don't debug faster, they debug wider. They ask questions like, where does this data come from? Who else depends on this? What assumptions are we making? What changed recently? Notice something? None of the questions mention code. So next time you hit a bug, try this order. Step 1, don't touch the code. Seriously, step away from the editor. Step 2, reread the requirement. What was actually promised? Step 3, trace the data. Where is it coming from? Where is it getting changed? Where it's being assumed? Step 4, ask one dumb question like, what does this field really mean? The question fixes more bugs than refactoring ever will. So when a bug makes you feel stupid, remember this, your code is probably fine. The system around it probably isn't. And once you stop blaming yourself, you start fixing real problems. Most of the bugs are not code problems. They are communication problems, assumption problems, system problems. And the moment you understand that, you stop being just a coder and start becoming an engineer. If this video saved you from over-debugging your code, hit like, subscribe if you want real-world dev lessons, and I'll see you in the next one.